Meet Jane and John. Like you, they are students at Marion Elementary. And like you, they struggle with knowing when to get a drink during PE. And it hurts their workout because
A, time was being wasted standing in line. B, their minds were focused on something other than the class activity. And C, their bodies weren't getting any movement. Poor Jane and John. That is before they learned the water fountain procedures. No drinks during warm-up instruction or lineup. You do not have to ask to get a drink. Only one person in the tile area at a time. 2 people may wait behind the yellow line. Return to the activity quickly. Following the procedures solves all of those problems for Jane and John. They're so excited they want to take a test drive. So they go to the water fountain and watch a demo. Wow! Look how happy they are.
Created using Powtoon.